yelled at me one time for driving through too quick. I really wasn't driving fast. You're gonna have to wait till they stop smoking.
Yeah.
Wow, they might think I'm like jacking the van or something, you know? Like rolling up here all retarded like this. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, this thing is heavy as fuck. It's a trolling motor. Alright, let go. Woohoo! Alright, let's see what we got. Alright. Ooh. This thing is heavy. These trailing motors are like, they're pretty expensive, so ooh. We'll see what this one costs. Should bring in some pretty good money on marketplace. Let's see. What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming and checking out another CRV video. Still working on the Vtec on this guy right here. If you're new to the channel, if you're new to the videos, B20 Vtec CRV. Straight up B16 head. Last video did some Skunk 2 lost motion assemblies. Some of my subscribers pointed out it looks like I'm missing some Vtec pins on cylinder 4 on the intake side, which looking at the video, you can push it all the way back in. It's not too difficult. Definitely it looks like I'm missing the pin in there, which means that's probably why Vtec has never really felt really great in this thing. You can hear it engage, but my oil pressure at the head has always been low. Right now it's at 30 psi. It was at 25 psi before I put in a racing oil pump. Pretty sure the spec on it is supposed to be around 60 psi, and if I'm missing that pin, pretty sure that the psi at the head, I'm just losing psi out of the head, I think. We'll see here in a minute once I get this thing all ripped apart. I'm basically at the point now where I can almost pull out the cams, okay? Here are some rocker arms, just as an example, okay? Down on the valve train. And in this middle one, there's actually a pin, okay? You can see how it moves pretty easily, okay? Oil pressure goes through this one, pushes this pin out, and it locks against this other one, okay? This is, to sum it up real quick, and that's how Vtec engages, okay? If I'm missing this pin, which it definitely looks like I am, the car's only running on 3 cylinders as far as Vtec goes. The tune is way off. This is the one that looked like it was missing the Vtec pin. And let's see what we got. We got no pin. There is no pin in there. So this cylinder right here, no Vtec. All right. So I don't know where the pin actually is or where it went. It's not down in the head. So I want to go ahead and go through here, make sure I got the pins and all the other ones. Pin. Okay, so I'm only missing one. So I want to say thanks again to my subscribers that saw that. So hopefully, keep my fingers crossed, this thing makes some more oil pressure. So I almost made a big boo-boo because it looks like it's missing both of the pins. Okay, there's a short one and a long one. The little one, the short one goes in this one, and the long one goes in the center. So the little one's got to go in first. Push it all the way in. There we go. This is a $50 Autometer gauge pod. You see how it fits all nice and stuff like that. And this one is the Glow Shift Universal, and it doesn't fit very good at all. There's like huge gaps. You need to trim it. But this guy's only 12 bucks. Well, that's... Uh-oh. What happened? This is a pretty cool gauge. Not bad for being like a $40 gauge. I think I said in the last video I got it on eBay. I actually bought it on Amazon, so yeah, the colors are pretty cool. Well, that is much better. It's like 90 PSI now, or 85, 80, something like that. So it looks like it's a little lean too up top. I think I need to add some more fuel to it. I didn't bring the laptop. I'm on my way to work right now. I didn't bring the laptop, so I can't really adjust it. So I was gonna plan on beating it up on the way home during lunch today, but I don't know if I should or not.